गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे HTML। तो बेसिकली व्हाट इज HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language and it is used to create your web page and to create your web applications. Tim Berners-Lee, he is the inventor of HTML, the hypertext markup language. In this hypertext markup language, you have two words. One word is hypertext and another word is markup language. So hypertext basically meaning is that text within a text. Now what is the meaning of this text within text? So you can simply say that कि a text that has a link within it is a hypertext. सपोज कीजिए क्या होता है जब आपके वेब ब्राउजर में एक हाइपरलिंक होता है जिस पे आप क्लिक करते हैं और आप किसी दूसरे पेज पे नेविगेट कर जाते हैं, तो जो आपको टेक्स्ट मिला है जिसमें आपने क्लिक किया है वो हाइपर टेक्स्ट है, और जो नया पेज आपको ओपन हुआ है दैट इज हाइपर लिंक. दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन से दैट whenever you click on a link which brings you to a new web page, that means कि you actually clicked on a hypertext. So hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages with each other. Now the next word is markup language. So basically markup language is a programming language that can be used to apply layout and formatting conventions to a text document. That means कि you can make your web page more interactive, more dynamic. You can turn a text into a images, links, tables, forms, etc. with the help of this markup language. Now next term is hyperlink. What is hyperlink? तो बेसिकली आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू कि जब हम किसी वेब पेज के टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करते हैं और हम जब दूसरे पेज पे मूव करते हैं, तो क्लिक करने से लेके वो पेज डिस्प्ले होने तक जो भी प्रोसेस हुआ है, यानी कैसे मूव किया, दैट इज विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाइपर लिंक. So web pages written in hypertext are linked throughout the World Wide Web, that means via references, and these references are called hyperlinks. Hyperlink basically a URL part, and this URL might be your HTML page like abc.html. It might be some domain name like www.google.com, www.facebook.com. It depends what you want. So you can say that if you want to navigate between pages, then you can use hyperlink. Here you can see one example here how we can create hyperlinks in HTML. This highlighted code, basically you can use this A anchor tag. Here this A is the anchor tag. With the help of this anchor tag, you can create hyperlinks. Okay, this click, this is visible text on your web browser. This is hypertext. And this abc.html, it is a URL part. You can say this href is equal to abc.html. Here it is a hyperlink. Now come to the features of HTML. What are the features we can use in HTML? So basically HTML is a, you can easily modify this language. You can easily understand HTML language because it is relatively easy to use. You can make effective presentation with the help of hypertext markup language because it provides lots of formatting tags like bold, italic, superscript, subscript, insert. There are multiple formatting tags which can be provided by this hypertext markup language. It provides a flexible way to design web pages along with text. It can also facilitate programmers to add a link on the web page. For that, you can use anchor tag and it will enhance the interest of browsing. This language is a platform independent because this language don't need any software apart from web browser. In the web browser, you can display your content, and web browser they are platform. Because of this, this language is platform इंडिपेंडेंट, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि आप ब्राउजर हर एक सिस्टम पे होगा। लाइक अगर आप विंडोज ओएस यूज कर रहे हैं उसके पास भी एक अपना ब्राउजर है, आप लिनक्स यूज कर रहे हैं उसके पास भी एक अपना ब्राउजर है। तो आप किसी भी ब्राउजर पे HTML पेजेस को रन कर सकते हैं। दैट इज वाई इट इज प्लेटफॉर्म independent. You can also add sound, videos, graphics to your web pages with the help of this hypertext markup language.